it is Vlogmas 2024. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, scroll down, hit that subscribe button. If you're not new, then you already know what the heck is going on. It is finally Christmas season, the best season there is. And as you can see by the title, today we're gonna be decorating. I already decorated what I had, but I just picked up some few things, and I'm gonna pan back to the clip where I put up the Christmas tree, but I don't know what happened to the part of me decorating it, so y'all see that. But I just wanted to come in and give you a quick intro before we get into this vlog. What am I doing? I'm currently like deep cleaning for Christmas / the New Year because I don't want to spend the last week of December. So day by day I'm just cleaning out some stuff. So if you see things that's out of place, just act like you didn't. But we did go to what's that store? We went to Burlington, Five Below, and TJ Maxx today, so I'm gonna show you what I got there. We're gonna take these garland. I changed this color to pink. I think my daughter changed it to green, but pink, gold, and change please, thank you. Pink, gold, and black. I couldn't get the other color out. Is our theme for this year. Our Christmas tree is in this corner this year. I think I did pretty good. I'm not a tree decorator expert. We'll probably find a couple more things to go on there, but for now I think it looks really cute. Even in the daylight, at night it's super pretty. But yeah, it's in this corner. We're gonna get rid of this throw blanket, this garland, and these flowers because they are fall. I ordered some pillow covers to go over those because that's also fall. And yeah, so that's the plan for Christmas. And then I'm gonna put the bow things on my cabinets like I did last year, and I bought some new garland to go on top because I used the other strip on my tree. So yeah, I'll give you guys like a full apartment Christmas tour in one of these videos, but today I'm just showing you the decoration part. I've never given y'all an apartment tour of this place, and I've been here for almost 3 years, or 3 years. It's either almost 3 years or 3 years, and it's almost, I don't think it's been 4, so almost 3 years I think. Let me start rambling and let's get into what I got. So this vlog is starting, today is November. Alexa, what's today's date? It's the weekend before Thanksgiving.
Today is Saturday, November 23rd.
Okay, it's November 23rd.
We have 2 new notifications. Do you want to hear them?
No, I do not. Okay, so at Burlington, I found these 2 gift wrapping paper that's pink with gingerbreads on them. They're gold gingerbread mans with pink background, so this will look so cute. I'm trying to go with like the same pattern, and I don't think it's a lot of gifts that I have to wrap, so I think 2 will be fine. Y'all, my daughter's at that stage, she don't want toys. This year her Christmas list was so simple. I was like, girl, I can get all your stuff in 1 week. So I'm really grateful that she doesn't really ask for too much. It used to be toys after toys after toys, dollhouse, kitchen sets, culinary set. I got some pink gift bags, so it comes with 3 in a pack. So this one is gingerbread, a gingerbread house I guess, and then pink Christmas tree type of thing. So cute. These were basically $1 a piece. This was $3. And then I got this one, which is pink with Santa, pink with Christmas trees, and pink Mary. These will most likely be for clothes, or gifts that don't need to be wrapped. I do have some clothes some pink and rose gold clothes boxes, gift boxes from a couple Christmases ago in my closet. So I think that's all the wrapping paper I'll really need, or gift, ouch. That's all the gift wrapping, bagging that I need, really. And then I got some pink hot chocolate mugs for the kitchen. So cute, so cute, so cute. And this was $4.99. And then TJ Maxx is where I always find my like little throw blankets for the holiday or season. I usually find those at Burlington or TJ Maxx. They always have the best ones to me. Well, our TJ Maxx is connected to Home Goods. That's why it's a Home Goods bag, but it's all the same store. I found this on the TJ Maxx side. And it's so cute. It's so soft. It's pink, neutral, with snowmans and Christmas trees and pink candy canes. It's so cute, and it's outlined in pink. You know the vibes. It's so cute and warm and cozy. It's Christmas time. It's time. I didn't think I'd be able to do that. But I could. It's Christmas time, y'all. I'm so happy. Christmas is my favorite time of the year. Okay, and then the last thing I got was at Five Below. I went and got 3 of these to put above my cabinets, and then under my TV, and then around the entryway thing. I think I told y'all that already. So I'm about to get that started while I clean up. So yeah, let's get into it.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. It got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Betty's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city, and I ain't worried about it. Come too far.
Soften up the mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find her image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe, spinning through identity, reveal another pretty little scheme. Save her mind, hold her hand, and don't believe a lie, you understand me. Walk her down the valley, pack a piece of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and have a wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher. Show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a garden. Count to 10, lions den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running.
Okay guys, so that completes this vlog with decorating for Christmas. The next video I'll kind of give you an apartment tour like I told y'all. But there's still gonna be a couple more things trickling in, but I'm gonna film this outro now just because I did majority of it. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video and day 1 of Vlogmas, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Peace, love, and happiness.